doesn't like a donut? See what a wonderful donut it is? Today, we will learn how to draw this donut very easily. So, let's get started. At first, we will draw a half circle, then a semicircle. Now we will draw a curved line. Then another curved line at the bottom. And this is our donut. Now let's color the donut. At first, we will color the upper part with pink color. We have to do it very nicely. Wow! It looks nice! Now we will color the bottom part with yellow color. Now we will add some sprinkles to make the donut delicious. We will add a big smile, 2 eyes, and a heart at the top. Then we will color them as our wish. It looks nice, isn't it? Let us know in the comments how you like the video. So, that's all for today. If you like the video, please like, share more, and subscribe to our channel. And click the bell button to get notification of the next video. And let us know in the comments what you want to learn to draw. Bye-bye!